Hello, readers. Visit me, Mom. And just finished the book Deadly Notions by Elizabeth Lynn Casey. It's a Southern Sewing Circle mystery in large print. For those who like stories light and the mysteries clever, with strong personalities vibrating off each page, the twists and turns of the storyline, and the exceptionally exciting ending. This will this one will please them all. Ever since she joined Southern Carolina's Sweet Briar Ladies Society Sewing Circle, librarian Tori Sinclair has known she'd do anything for her new friends, including throwing a birthday bash for a fellow sewer's daughter. While the party is a huge success, self-important pageant mom, Ashley Lawson, and her rude attitude leaves the ladies wanting to shut her high-maintenance mouth up permanently. But when Ashley turns up dead, the sewing circle is shocked. As much as they wanted to strangle her, none of them would actually do it. With the town aware that the entire club made threats against Mrs. Lawson, Tori and her ladies need to band together to figure out who actually murdered the monster mom. If they don't, the finger of the law will definitely point to them. I enjoyed this book. It was a quick read, and I enjoyed the adventure. Yeah, everybody's met someone they didn't like, but killing is a different thing. But it's a good little book. I think you would enjoy it. It's large print from Center Point. It's an older book, but I think you would enjoy it.